I shorted this 25 550 short straddle and I'm almost in 10 to 12 points profit. Earlier there was a mistake. I'll show you the orders and it's shooting up quickly and I exited this without any profit even though I have seen 15 points profit. This thing, that's a foolish mistake. I'm almost at cost break even. It's at one point I'm almost in a 25 points loss. I'm going to make 1,40,000 if it consolidates here. Even if I can capture 50-60% of this premium, that's a decent trade for today. Hello traders, in this video I traded Nifty Expiry today and it's a big gap down. It opened almost a 1.5% gap down and after that it tried to pull back and it made a low again and it's consolidating. I traded short straddles and the premium spiked because of a gap down and VIX already raised more than 10%. As of now it's about 10%. And today's trading is like a roller coaster ride. Initially I did a mistake you're going to see in the video and after punching the orders it's initially I'm in a profit 10 to 15,000 profit. After that it went into 25,000 loss and again I'm in 30,000 profit and closing around 13,000 profit. If all went well, I should be making, based on the premiums and the quantity that I used, I should be making somewhere around above 1 lakh if it consolidates in a range, but the market is making a high and low, high point and low point, so I had to exit with a small profit. You're going to learn and see a lot of things in today's trading video. Watch till the end. If you want to see this kind of videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. Hello traders, good morning. Current time is 9 a.m. Nifty is opening 340 points gap down. It's almost 1.3% gap down. Nifty is opening around 25,450 level and previous closing is 25,800 level. Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty and Mid Cap Nifty, all the indexes are opening more than 1% gap down and market is moving in a bearish direction. From Monday the bearish move started and it's going in one direction. Let's check the charts. From here the bearish move started and it's going in one direction. It consolidated for one day and it's opening a big gap down, and after a big gap down I am expecting a consolidation day. I'm expecting a consolidation after a 300 points gap down. I'm not expecting it may move further. It may move 50 points or 100 points, but it's not going to make a big move. That's what my expectation is. And after opening a gap down, it may pull back. It is going to open around this level, 25,450. It may consolidate and it may pull back a little bit. Nifty's previous day's closing is 25,800 and the ATM straddle's premium closed around 143 points. Based on this gap down, then we may see a spike in option premiums and also in the VIX. Let's see what happens. After market open, I am going to wait a few minutes to see whether how the premiums are going to react. After that, I am going to create a short straddle. Let's see what happens. Current time is 9:22 a.m. and I shorted this 25 550 short straddle and I am almost in 10 to 12 points profit. Here you can see I'm in 10 to 12 points profit. I shorted it around 160 points premium. Let's see how it goes. Here you should be seeing an issue. I shorted it around 80 points and even though the premium is at 82 83, I'm still in profit on this strike. That's because earlier there was a mistake. I'll show you the order book. I shorted this straddle 25 550 short straddle around 917.47, and my P leg got rejected and a CE leg triggered around 85 points, and I realized that my P leg not executed, so I exited the CE leg around 70, booking a 15 points profit. That's why you are seeing the imbalance in that strike, and after that I shorted around 80 and 72. That's why you are seeing, even though I shorted at 80, my average selling price is at 80, you are seeing a profit and it's shooting up quickly. If it breaks this high, I am going to shift the strike once again. Let's see if that is going to break or not. After breaking this level, I shifted my short straddle from 25,550 to 25,600, and I got around 156 points premium, and I exited this without any profit, even though I have seen 15 points profit on this position size. Currently I'm in 5 to 6 points loss on this CE leg. After this much gap down, it may pull back a little bit and it may consolidate. That's what my expectation is, or else it can retest till this closing price. That's not going to happen because this is a bearish trend. Let's see what happens. From morning I am getting a margin issue. That's because I punched my hedge legs as NRML orders and I'm using MIS for this thing. That's a foolish mistake. I haven't seen these order types. Current time is 9:46 a.m. and I'm almost at cost break even. It's at one point I'm almost in a 25 points loss. That means 80 points plus 76 156 points premium, shot up again 25 points. That means it went up around 180 points and it is consolidating in this range. Let's see, and if it hasn't made any low like this, if it makes any low, I'll wait for that low to break. If that low breaks, I'll make the strike once again, and here it consolidating at this strike price, so I don't have any problem. If it breaks this high, I may shift this strike once again. If it consolidates at this point, I may get a decent profit today, and it's going into profit from 25 points loss to it's at a break even and my small profit. It's not a big deal. Let's check how much I can make if it consolidates here. I'm going to make 1,40,000 if it consolidates here. Even if I can capture 50-60% of this premium, that's a decent trade for today. Let's see what happens. Currently the position is in 7 to 8 points profit. Current time is 9:54 a.m. and Nifty is consolidating and the premiums are decaying. Here you can see I'm almost in 15-16 points profit, around 15 to 16. It's fluctuating and it's trying to fall. Let's see whether it is going to fall or not. It is consolidating around this level 25,600 and I'm in this 25,600 short straddle. And the mistake that I did today is I haven't checked the hedge legs order type. It's in NRML order type, so that's why I got the margin issue. Next time onwards I should check the hedge legs order type when I'm trading with a big quantity. Current time is 10:07 a.m. I exited the short straddle after breaking these levels and created a new short straddle, and I booked almost 30 points profit, and it's fluctuating between 20 and 25 points profit. So let's see how it ends. If it's going to break this level low or the highest point, I'm going to exit the short straddle and I'm going to close for today, either with a profit or loss. Current time is 10:22 a.m. and after breaking this level, I thought of exiting the entire short straddle. I waited for a few minutes, and after making this low, it's going higher until it remains in this range, these ranges. I'm not going to exit this short straddle. I'll keep the short straddle. If any of these levels are breaking this high or this low, I'm going to exit the short straddle and close for the day. Let's see how much profit I can make today if it stays in this range. Current time is 10:27 a.m. and the market is staying where it is, and the premiums are spiking, and mainly the put premium is spiking. And today there is a good setup for option buyer here. After this level breakout, it's a good fall. Let's check it in option premiums, and this is a risk for the option buyer and this is a target. He must have made a 1:4 or 1:5 trade. Let's check in the charts. It's a clean setup on a put leg, and the entry is around 9:53 or 9:54. 9:54 is a big candle. 9:53. Let's just draw once again. Yes, the entry is around 9:53. Let's check the premium around 9:53. 9:53. The premium is around 45. The high is 45, and it made a high of around more than 95. and the SL is let's just check. SL is 34. It's 10 points. For that 10 points you are going to gain 50 points, 45 to 95. It's a 1 is to 5 trade. Anyone can catch this at least 1 is to 3. That's a good setup for today for option buyers. Still my position is running. I'll wait in the trade until any of these levels are breaking, low or the high. Current time is 10:35 a.m. and it seems market is going to consolidate around this level. I mean, market means Nifty. For today it's Nifty, and I'm in more than 25 points profit. It's around 25 to 30 points profit. It's fluctuating. Let's see how the day ends. As per my plan, if any of these levels breaks low or the high, I'm going to exit this short straddle, and I'm going to stay away from the market for today, either it is in a profit or loss. Current time is 11:03 a.m. and I exited the short straddle, and I tried to create a one more new short straddle around 25,500, but I exited with a small profit. I don't want to continue anything. If this level breaks, we can see further quick fall. So I exited that short straddle also, and I booked a small profit of 13,000 because based on the premium that I have received and the quantity that I used, it's just less than 10% profit. I'm not going to trade for today. That's all for today. If you want to see this kind of videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications.